friends, it's Sunday, and on Sunday I meal prep. But first, I have to clean the refrigerator out of the meal prep that I did not eat last week. Oh, please tell me I'm not the only one. I transgress. What we have on deck today, I've taken like a smorgasbord of like 3 different recipes and I'm gonna lump them together, and this is either gonna be delicious or a horrible train wreck, but that doesn't matter because I am on the adventure train today. We're gonna make like potato soup in the InstaPot because you knew that was coming, and I wanted it to be easy and fast and sort of like Charlie's. Okay, stay tuned. These are our ingredients. And oh, by the way, if you need some new cleaning stuff for fall, ladies, that spice pumpkin, oh, that's pretty good. Target has it. First things first, and I'll be honest, I don't really know if this is true, but I've read some tips and tricks on InstaPot that says make sure you put your liquid at the bottom first. Like, don't ever, unless you're like simmer or saute or whatever it's called, but if you're cooking in your InstaPot, like I'm some expert now. Anyways, it says put the liquid at the bottom. So we're gonna start with a full 32 ounces, so it's the whole container of chicken broth. I don't get anything fancy, but I'm just gonna be honest with you, I like salt, so your homegirl gets like the whole brand. So this is the really cool thing about this recipe is it actually takes frozen potatoes and puts it down in your InstaPot. I mean, can you get any better than that? So I got these because I wanted a little extra flavor with some onions and peppers in it, but you can totally you can get shredded hash browns, you can get diced like I did. I mean, heck, I think you could probably even put tater tots in this little sucker. So anyways, this is what I'm going with, and the entire bag is gonna go in there. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna add the lid, and this itself is gonna cook for 3 minutes on manual. So I'm gonna hit this little thing over to where it needs to be, and I'm going to figure out how to turn this on and not be forever and ever on a camera. We're gonna take this down to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna let it go. So one thing I did not know right away, and some of you all that have been using InstaPots for a while, you're gonna be like, yeah, it's not 3 minutes. It takes like, I don't know, 5 minutes to like build the pressure up inside of it. Then it cooks for the time that you need, and then you have to vent it. However, so far I've kind of just like completely vented it, but I think some of these recipes call for like a slow vent. Okay, it's venting. When it gets done doing the whole, you hear it? When it gets done. It's been a long Sunday. When it gets done doing that, I'm gonna release this and I'll show you what the next ingredients are. I have a whole 8-ounce container of cream cheese. You can get this fat-free. I kind of want the fat in my diet right now, but that is up to you and completely optional. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lid off of here. I'm gonna cut up this cream cheese into like, I don't know, cubes that are like I guess that's like half an inch, 1 inch. I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna put them in here and then stir it up so that the heat that was created will melt that down. So here we go. I'm using a wooden spoon, so that way I can get like the chunks. Like if there's, I'll tell you what, this melted down really fast in the heat, but there are some pieces of the cream cheese, and all I'm doing is using the back of the spoon to kind of press up against the sides or down at the bottom. So there you go. Our next ingredient is cream of chicken soup. So I just got the larger can because 2 cans is a little bit too big. So this one right here is 22.6 ounces. Every little bit of this is gonna go down in here. We like garlic, so we're gonna do 2 teaspoons right of that garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is one of those things that you can always add later, but it's hard to take away. So 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to do the exact same thing with black pepper. The secret ingredient is hot sauce. And I know some of you are like, what? I'm telling you, this is what you need. And you need sweet baby rice. You can get any kind you want, but this is delicious. So if you're not super spicy, start with a teaspoon. And if you're like, girl, lay it on me, put a couple in there. Stir all that up, and then your last ingredient is really optional. It's up to you. It is cheddar cheese. I like sharp. You know, you can get whatever variation that you want of this. This recipe creates 6 servings of this soup, so I put 6 servings of cheese to melt down in here, and then I will put down the nutritional information. Just remember that if you add more cheese to it, you just need to calculate for that. But good stuff. I totally taste tested this off camera because some of these things that I make are disgusting. This, oh. Yeah, this is a winner. We're gonna save this one. I'm gonna divide this up. I went and got some cute, I say cute, they're just like normal containers. And this is what I'm gonna pack for work all week. So again, 6 servings, so I'm sure one of the kiddos will run off with this. Thumbs up, guys.